Welcome to Larry Under Pressure. Today, we're serving up something light, flaky, and absolutely mouth-watering, perfectly cooked cod steaks right from the Ninja Dual Drawer Air Fryer. No grease, no mess, just crisp edges, juicy center, and all the flavor you love in a fraction of the time. Whether you're new to air frying or a seasoned pro, this recipe is going to be your go-to for a healthy, hassle-free seafood night. Stick around and we'll show you exactly how to season, cook, and plate these beauties like a pro. Let's get started.
Hello everybody, let's get started cooking this beautiful fish. We're fixing, of course, fresh cod steaks. One of my very favorite fish because it's mild and cooks up beautifully and it's easy to do and really good for you. First of all, I'm spraying it with some extra virgin olive oil to get, I've taken it out of the package. It was not frozen. And of course it could have been and I could have thawed it. And I've blotted it dry with some paper towels. And now I've got some olive oil on it. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to roll each of them gently in panko breadcrumbs to give it a little bit of a crunchy outside. We don't want anything too much on them because we don't want to spoil the flavor of the fish itself. It's so mild and wonderful. Okay, that's it. We're through with our prep. We're going to get over to the air fryer next. All right, this step is just as easy as the first step. What we're going to do is put these in the air fryer, and I'm using a 2-drawer air fryer, as you all have been here before and seen me use. And what I like to do is I've lined it with aluminum foil. With the fish, you need something to catch the juices because as it cooks in the juices, it enhances the flavor, plus it doesn't mess up your air fryer and it's easier to clean. So I'm going to put these 2 in. You could easily put 3 or 4, or in this air fryer, you could use both sides and cook a lot at one time. So I've got those 2 in, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice on them to add to the flavor. You can't beat lemon and citrus when you're dealing with fish. And then I have a little bit, it's actually Kingsford, but you can use Walmart or any kind you want of lemon pepper seasoning on them. I've got that on. I'm going to close it up and then we're going to set up the air fryer. I'm going to turn on the power, choose the left basket, go to air fryer. Time, I'm going to put 15 minutes and it's probably not going to take but about 10. And we're going to put it on 390 for 10 minutes in the air fryer. And then at about 5 minutes, we're going to turn it over and we'll check the internal temperature because, as you know, we cook by temperature, not by viewing it. So let's push start and get it started, and we'll come back and check it in about 5 minutes. These have been cooking for 5 minutes. So let's take a look at them and flip them over. I'm going to pause the air fryer. They're looking real good. We're also going to check them for internal temperature. We're looking for an internal temperature of 145 to 155 degrees. But those are looking real good. Let's flip that one over. And we'll flip this one over. Also, I neglected to salt and pepper these. So after I put them in to cook, I went back and salted and peppered them off camera. But I think probably most of you would have done that anyway. There we go. We've got them flipped over, ready to cook the backside. And we're going to cook that for about another 5 minutes and come back and take a look. We've finished the second 5 minutes, so now they've been cooking for 10. Let's check them. And as thick as these are, they're much thicker than normal. I don't think they'll be quite done yet. I'm showing about 110 to 120, and we need them to be about 140. So let's go ahead and keep cooking these. Let's cook them for about another 5 minutes and see where we stand at that time. These have been cooking now for about 15 minutes. So let's temp them and see where we stand. Yeah, they're at 148, 153, 160. They're perfect. They're just where we wanted them. So let's get them out and plate them. Take a look at them. Those look really good. There's the first one. There's the second one. And what we want is them to be crispy and flaky on the outside and moist and wonderful and chewy on the inside without being mushy. Let me move over to the plate and we'll take a taste of them. I've let those rest for about 5 minutes. I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice on them because I love my lemon juice. And I'm going to take a little taste. Oh, look, it's nice and flaky, just like we wanted it. Oh, wow. Really, really good. See how flaky and nice? Has a wonderful flavor. It's not overdone. And the little bit of panko on there makes them nice and crispy. This was a fun one to fix. We'll do it again. I'll see you on the next video.
And there you have it. Perfectly cooked cod steaks straight from the Ninja dual drawer air fryer. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and bursting with flavor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another recipe right here on Larry Under Pressure. Got a favorite air fryer or pressure cooker dish you want to see next? Drop it in the comments. We're always looking for tasty ideas to try under pressure. Below, you'll find a written recipe for this dish and an Amazon purchase link for the air fryer used in the video. And if you are interested in cruising, please visit Larry's other channel, Cruise News with Larry. We'll leave a link for that as well. Until next time, stay hungry, stay creative, and keep cooking in a slow cooker, air fryer, or under pressure. Need help? We've got you covered.